Are you looking for to fix thread not loading? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, try refreshing the application. In order to do that, head over to your application thread. Once you're inside the app, simply close the application once and then reopen it. Sometimes reopening the app might also fix the issue and refresh the page. After that, you need to check whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. Make sure you are connected to strong Wi-Fi. After that, the next thing you want to do is try restarting your device. Tap and hold the assistive touch and click on restart. Restarting the device might also help you out. After that, move into App Store. Inside the App Store, in the search bar, search for Thread. Click on this app. Right here you can see the option of update. Simply click on update and update the app to the latest version. Once updated, you might be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.